Right now it's Saturday, May 27th. Me and my brother Ty, we're out here in Boley, Oklahoma, and it is thundering and lightning. It is a tornado in Boley, Oklahoma, and as you can see, it's golf ball size hail, and we up under a church right now at this time for shelter. As you can see in the background, you see all the lightning that's going on right now, and you can hear it. Can you see? Woo. This is lightning in Boley, Oklahoma right now. There's a tornado flood watch right now that's happening. And we up under the church shelter in the rental car. And you can hear hail hitting the walls of the church. It's metal. You see all the lightning that's going on right now. Saturday, May 27, 2017. Caught in a tornado.